Welcome to Plug and Play Kits. In this video, we're going to show you how to install our plug and play remote starter for 2012 through 2015 Honda CR-V with standard key. The first step is you're going to reach under your dash and remove the small little under dash cover. Once removed, we're going to go to the steering wheel shroud and remove the one screw on the bottom. Then start your car with the key. Turn your wheel to the side and you're going to pry up on each side of the steering wheel to expose the two screws on each side. Okay. Now we're going to start to remove the steering wheel shroud. Lift up your wheel, lock it in place, pull down, and remove, and set it aside. We're now going to plug in our T-harness with the wiring from underneath. We're going to loosen and remove the ignition plug, slide out that little clip and slide it out. Next, we're going to do the transponder plug and unplug that. Take our T-harness side and plug it back into the vehicle. Okay, now that that's complete, screw in your ground wire at this bracket. Once the ground has been connected, we're going to start the programming process. Press and hold the button down on the Evo 1 while inserting the main power plug. We're going to let go on red. Press the button 2 times. Take your key and turn it to the on position. Once the red light flashed and then the blue light flashes, turn your key off and programming is complete. Press the lock button 3 times and your vehicle will start. To turn off your vehicle, you press the lock button 3 times as well. Run time is set for 15 minutes. The only last connection is the parking lights. If you have auto lights, you don't even need this connection. But to access the parking light plug, the light blue wire, actually it's the darker blue wire. It also shows you on your diagram that comes with the directions. Just make a connection there for your parking lights. And that's going to conclude the install for this vehicle. Thanks for watching.